Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. Today we are going to do the term Carpe Diem, and if you want to study the notes related to this lecture or MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET English, so stay tuned with us. Now let's start with the term Carpe Diem. The Latin phrase Carpe Diem, which translates to seize the day, originated from one of Horace's odes and has evolved into a significant literary motif, particularly prevalent in lyric poetry. The essence of the Carpe Diem theme lies in the belief that life is short, time is fleeting, and one must make the most of the present pleasures and opportunities. The speaker in Carpe Diem poem often urges the audience, frequently represented as a hesitant virgin, to embrace the moment and savor the joys of life. Throughout the literary history, the Carpe Diem motif has been expressed through various symbols and metaphors, with the rose being a common emblem. In Edmund Spenser's epic poem, The Fairy Queen, he advises to gather therefore the rose whilst yet is prime, symbolizing the transience of physical beauty and the inevitability of mortality. Similarly, Robert Herrick's poem To the Virgins to Make Much of Time encourages the gathering of rosebuds while they can, understanding the fleeting nature of life's pleasures. Edmund Waller's Go Lovely Rose is another example of the use of the rose motif to convey the impermanence of beauty and life. Carpe Diem poems can vary in complexity, often expressing either poignant sadness or desperation in pursuit of pleasures under the looming shadow of inevitable death. Andrew Marvell's To His Coy Mistress is a notable example, where the speaker passionately implores his beloved to seize the moment and yield to his desires. The poem captures the urgency of time and the need to live life to the fullest. The Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam, translated by Victorian poet Edward Fitzgerald, presents a set of variations on the Carpe Diem motif, exploring themes of mortality and the fleeting nature of existence. In 1747, Lady Mary Wortley Montagu offered a brilliant counter to the traditional Carpe Diem poems with her work The Lover, a Ballad. This poem presents the perspective of a woman who finds her ardent lover utterly irresistible. Through her witty verses, Montagu challenges the male-dominated Carpe Diem narrative and empowers her female protagonist to assert her independence and agency. The Carpe Diem motif has endured through literary history, reflecting the universal human experience of grappling with mortality and the quest for meaning in life. It serves as a reminder of the impermanence of earthly pleasures and the need to appreciate the present moment. So this was the discussion on the term Carpe Diem. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other literary term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.